what you say. Oh woman, don't treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman that I've ever seen. I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go. What you say? Now baby, listen baby, don't you treat me this away, 'cause I'll be back on my feet someday.